Thinking about space-time, everyone's favorite thing to think about when you're like trying to fall asleep or waiting for a bus. One question that sometimes people ask is whether photons experience time. So there's this like universal speed limit in the universe, which is the speed of light. Photons are traveling at the speed of light. Do they experience time? Because they're traveling at like literally the fastest speed that it is possible to go. And as a note, they can only travel that fast because they have no mass. If you have a mass like protons, you actually can't accelerate a mass to the speed of light. It takes an infinite amount of energy, but that's a separate thing. Photons don't experience anything because they don't have consciousness. So technically I'd be like, no, photons don't experience anything. They don't experience time, they don't experience space either. But that's not a really helpful answer. But what's interesting is that it's like actually sort of a category error because the photon is moving through space and time. But from its perspective, the way that we deal with the laws of space-time and like our understanding of how physics works, it doesn't experience anything. It's emitted somewhere. Later on, maybe it gets absorbed. But there's still the time that's passing for us, the observer. The laws of general relativity don't really provide us with an understanding of what space-time is like if you are traveling at the speed of light. Because again, like us, anything other than light that's out in our world can never get to that speed, and so the equations are like understanding of physics doesn't actually reach that. Generally, I would say like, do photons experience time? They don't experience anything, but also the question is like not well constrained. A shitty answer, I apologize.